It's Congress versus Congress as much. What's happening in national capital Delhi? Congress's Chavan predicting an Aam Aadmi Party victory in Delhi. And it's the angry Delhi Congress unit. It's hitting back. Remember Sandeep Dixit, the son of former CM Sheila Dixit, who's now contesting against Arvind Kejriwal, says if he's so sure, why doesn't Chavan fight against the Aam Aadmi Party as well in Delhi? Remember at this point, while Prime Minister Modi is leading the campaign for BJP, Kejriwal, Sisodia, Sanjay Singh leading the campaign for AAP, many are asking, where is a united senior leadership of Congress to take on? Now remember, Chavan himself has been a former CM as well of Maharashtra. He's a senior leader of the Congress party. Let's listen in to what happened.
दिल्ली चुनाव बहुत अहम चुनाव है। मैं समझता हूँ शायद वहाँ केजरीवाल जीत जाएंगे। कांग्रेस भी फ्रे में है, कांग्रेस भी चुनाव लड़ेगी। अच्छा होता अगर कांग्रेस और आपका अगर गठबंधन होता, लेकिन शायद वो नहीं होते दिख रहा है। तो अभी मैं यहाँ बैठ के शायद दिल्ली में क्या हो रहा है उसके बारे में ज्यादा कहना मुश्किल होगा।
पृथ्वीराज चौहान जो पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री महाराष्ट्र के, वो भी कह रहे हैं कि दिल्ली में अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार बनेगी। आप
उनसे कहो आके अरविंद केजरीवाल की सीट से टिकट मांग लेना, आ जाए दिल्ली, नहीं दिल्ली से लड़ लें, आ जाए। अगर उनको इतना पसंद है तो आ जाए दिल्ली में लड़ लें।
Even if Prithviraj Chavan, such a senior leader, former CM, believed AAP was winning, was it worth mentioning at this point? This is getting bizarre to say the least. Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest. He got us that response from Sandeep Dixit, who tongue-in-cheek said, please tell Mr. Chavan to then come and fight in Delhi. He can do that against Arvind Kejriwal. This is when Sandeep Dixit was busy campaigning. Piyush, tell me this. You know, he's a senior leader. He knows his words. And he says, would have been better if AAP and Congress fought together.
Well, absolutely, Pooja. We are now seeing as to how Congress versus Congress taking place, even as the fight for Delhi Assembly polls escalate, where we are also seeing how Congress is enjoying the support of various India Alliance leaders, including various Congress leaders also, like Prithviraj Chauhan has also supported Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. The leaders like Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, Uddhav Thackeray, even they have extended their support. But now Sandeep Dixit, who is the New Delhi candidate of Congress party, is now coming out in open and saying that these political parties, these regional parties have no support, no impact in Delhi. He also said that people in Delhi do not get influenced by the support which Aam Aadmi Party is enjoying from these political parties. So we are now seeing how Congress versus Congress has taken place after the regional players, after the India Alliance partners have decided to extend their support to Arvind Kejriwal. Though it is also very much interesting to see is that in Delhi, Congress party is not getting support from any regional player. Congress party is fighting on its own. So Arvind Kejriwal is getting support, a lot of support from various India Alliance constituents, but Congress party, which is one of the biggest parties there in the India Alliance, is fighting in the elections on its own. We'll have to see how the politics is going to take shape in coming few days, but it is now amply clear as to how Arvind Kejriwal is enjoying a lot of support, but Congress seems to be fighting elections on its own in national capital.
Piyush, stay on with the